Hello friends, today we are working on all steps in the wood and we are working with these colors, and I will later mix gray for shadows, but for now this and Da Vinci brush number 2 and Yutiaris brush number 10 for bigger parts of the painting. So we will start with the sky and lots of water in this blue, and the sky will be just here on this one place visible, and maybe here also. So later I will see, do I need more of this blue, and maybe we will add it later. Now the small brush for the stump, and stump will be here. So I didn't wait this to be dried, but never mind, we can fix this later, like this. So this is the stump, and now we are going on the steps again with this big brush. So I will take this creamy color, and I want to all my steps to be, but mix with much more water, all my steps to be this creamy color. I will take away from here like this, and also these rocks on the side will be the same like stairs, like they are cut from the rock and making the stairs. Also from this side, so this is underpainting. Later we will add more darker colors for the shadows here. So now the wood and the trees around. First very light green on everything, so here and here, everything very light green, but we adding like this. And this is also underpainting. Later we will add darker colors on this green, but for now is this light. Also here in some parts we will add this green because of moss and grass. And lately I was watching one video from, I don't know, do you watch it? Well, I think she's channel is called by her name, Lori Lane. So she's making some videos where some strange things happen to people, and then she is react on this. Now we're adding this darker green on some places. everywhere, just here and there, to show some shadows. Then I want to add this different green. Anyway, the Lori Lane channel, I'm sorry, I forgot that I started to talk about this channel. So she's having some very interesting video, and one time she's commented on the girl who says that she was in the wood, walking in the wood. She always goes in the wood to walk, and one time she sees some bridge which she didn't see before, and she goes on this bridge and walk through the wood. And when she came back, her fiance leave her, I don't know, handwritten messages, and he was very concerned because she didn't coming back for 4 hours, and she was thinking that she was in this wood just, I don't know, half hour or something like this. So then in the comments people are commenting, never cross bridges you didn't see, you never see in the woods, or doorways or stairs in the woods, because it is like a bridge for another reality. So she was supposedly in some another reality, another time, and that's why she didn't come back so long. And oh my god, I was thinking, what is very interesting story. So now we are working on details, and the best we will show these details is here with this small brush. Later I will work also on the stairs and shadows on these stairs, but for now I'm showing just these green leaves on part of the bushes which is go on the stairs. So I don't know, do you guys like these strange stories and this type of content? I think it's very interesting. So sometimes, not always, sometimes I do watch these strange videos. So the leaves are taking over these stairs. Now this little mossy green here on this part. And a little bit different greens, maybe here. So I'm using on this painting, I think maybe even 5 different greens for the shadows, for the different leaves and everything. If you put too much of the color on some place, you can always add water and make it more less visible, more blended in this surrounding, and then this will look natural. So now the darker parts of this darkest brown I have, so I want to add this here. because this part is more in the shadow. Then I will do it with this bigger brush because this small one is not helping. So that then I want to add also this darker somewhere on this part, because this part is most in the shadows. So I'm adding this darkest brown also on this part where the shadows are, and blending into the surroundings like this. Now here down also darker, and then darkest green is this one, and then some lighter green because I want to show parts where the sun is on some places, and that will be here. Because if this part is darker, then this part should be lighter in this wood. And then again I want to add the darkest green because this is not very dark, so I will add more of this brown, darkest brown in darkest green, so we have then these rich shadows on this side, and maybe on this side also to show. And now I always make this right side darker than the left. I always think the sun is coming from here. And now I will take this darker brown and make some details, maybe here, to show these are the steps, like this. And now we need a little bit more lighter green to show that here is some light. And in the lightest wood, it is some shadows, so we will add just first on with a little dabbing and then blending these spots into our leaves with water. And guys, this is it. I hope you like it. I think this is very cool place, but like in this video, if you see some stairs which go nowhere, don't cross. See you in the next one. Bye.